So we just finished up this really sleek Euro style kitchen, and on the back side and sides of this island, the clients wanted to make sure that there was no visible hardware and wanted a clean panelized look. So we opted to use this hardware from Salice that allowed us to do a push to open and achieve that look for our clients. And you can see here on the side of the island, we have the same type of setup, only we have some pull-out drawers for their storage needs. So we have this on both sides of the island, and then there's all adjustable shelf storage on the back of the island underneath the white oak overhang. So a lot of cool features on this kitchen. Stay tuned for more. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.